Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. Apparently there's no time to get acquainted. So we're starting off by moisturizing our skin using the MAC Studio Moisture Cream and jumping right into the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Illuminator Primer. Putting that all over the face to prime our skin. Then we are going to go ahead and jump into my current two favorite foundations. And we're gonna go ahead and mix them and use them with a wet beauty blender and blend them all over my face. I do understand that they're two different shades, but these two foundations separately are my favorite. These two foundations together, I absolutely love. Now, I needed a little extra moisture, so I'm hydrating my lips with this Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil. So good. Now, since I'm doing more of a brighter look today, I wanted to use a lighter shade than I normally do. So I'm using the Milani Stay Put Brow in Brunette. Once I'm done filling my eyebrows in, I start cleaning them up with a Shape Tape concealer using a Luxie 221T brush, which is a flat edge synthetic brush. And I make sure that all of the edges are blended down, and with whatever concealer is left, I go ahead and I prime my eyes for eyeshadow. Then I set my eyes with a loose brush and my Coty Airspun loose powder. Using the Boxy Charm and Pur Cosmetics collab palette, we're digging into that BFF color, which is that beautiful bright hot pink, with a MAC 224 brush, which is a loose fluffy blending brush. And we're just gonna blend, blend, blend. Now with a MAC 217 brush, which is a smaller, more dense blending brush, we're digging into that same BFF color and we're concentrating it into our crease, not bringing it too high. Using Shape Tape concealer again and a small synthetic brush, we are cutting our crease. And back in with that MAC 217, we're gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. Now, digging into that color Bay with a flat shader brush, I am using the MAC 239 brush. We're placing this all over the lid that we just cut. Really, any light pink will really work because we are gonna go ahead and cover this shade in just a few moments. Using the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, we are just gonna go ahead and place it all over the lid again to make the eyes really pop. And of course, once again, we are going back in with those brushes and no additional product, just to go ahead and blend out those edges between the glitter and the hot pink. And we can't forget to go back in and brighten up that inner tear duct with that same glitter. Time to conceal. We are using our Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C5 to conceal and brighten under our eyes and our T-zone. And of course, after, we're gonna go ahead and blend it out with our beauty blender. Back at it with our Coty Airspun. I swear I lived through this powder. We are going to use our damp beauty blender to set our eyes. Next, we're going to go ahead and set our face using the Crown BMX 130 pointed blush brush and the rest of the powder that was on the cap to set our face. Time to contour. Using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, we're using the middle shade called Shadow Play to bronze our face using my favorite brush of all time, the Morphe M143. Like M143. I love you. Like seriously, love it. Using the color Sombre, which is an ashier tone, we're gonna chisel out them cheeks, girl, and that double chin. Ooh! Love this blush. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Light Year. It is so bronzy and so pinky. I love it. Next, we're going to go ahead and drench our skin in the MAC Fix Plus to get our skin looking radiant and skin-like again. And as you saw, I was not kidding about drenching my skin because I love this stuff. A more recent obsession, this is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner to give me that precise wing line. And I don't know where my footage went, but I guess I already did my bottom lash line with that BFF pink color as well. Coating my lashes with another holy grail. This is the L'Oreal Volumist Lash Paradise Mascara. Going in with my Koko lashes in the style Demi G. I don't use anything else on my lower lashes. I am using the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara. Then, using my MAC Chromographic pencil, I am placing this in my waterline to brighten up my eyes and make them look bigger. I don't go a day without this. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. It gives your brows a feathery look while keeping them in place. Prepping for our highlighter, we're going to be using a little bit more Fix Plus to then go into that more pinky shade of that Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. And ooh, y'all can see it even changed my lighting. It is intense. And if you ever feel like you went a little bit overboard, you can always go in with that beauty blender and diffuse that highlight out. This is, by the way, the Morphe M510 brush to highlight my face, which I love this brush. I don't even think this brand even exists anymore. This is the Studio Gear lip liner in the color Berry. And for the last step, we are finishing off our lips with the Colourpop Lippy in Fresh Cut. Such a beautiful pink color. And we are all set, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me what other looks you guys want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this very spring, pinky, monochromatic pink look. And I enjoyed making it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.